Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Mom. This channel will be about foods that are based out of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. A lot of these recipes are my mom's creation. Some are borrowed from friends and families, and also due to her experience in the food industry. My mom doesn't speak fluent English, however, she tries her best to explain the ingredients she uses to spice up the recipes that we will be showing throughout this channel. One of the reasons why this channel was created, because my mom is a great cook. She's been cooking for her family for many years, and also she has experience in this area. A lot of people have encouraged her to start her own business, a restaurant, things of that nature. And then I thought about it and I said to my mom, she should share her recipe with the rest of the world, mainly because she is very passionate about food. So I hope you guys enjoy this channel as much as we enjoy her food. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave comments. I will be posting the first video in reference to her first recipe that she's going to be sharing. The way this channel is going to be broadcasted is pretty much everything that she cooks on a day-to-day basis. I'm going to record and share with the rest of the world. So if you guys want more, a specific recipe for a specific dish, feel free to leave a comment and let us know. If we have a high demand of people wanting that specific recipe, then we will make sure that gets posted on YouTube. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this channel, and we'll go from there. Have a nice day.